is not manifesting. If you want to shift your reality instantly, which is possible, the first manifestation code is this. Until last year, I tried everything to stay positive, from using affirmations to believing in my manifestations, but I was frustrated, I was unmotivated like many other people because I was not getting the results I wanted. So I knew that my subconscious mind is way more powerful than my conscious beliefs. Don't get me wrong here, believing is way more powerful than just hoping, but there is one more thing that is way more powerful than believing, and that is knowing. When you know that your vision is a part of your reality in the future, that really becomes a part of your reality in the present. You start living from that experience because it's an instant shift. If you think about a happy moment, happy experience, you can channel that energy right now in the moment. That means that future version of you has already manifested in the present. Right now, it might seem that your vision is impossible because you are really seeing your future from your present situation. The situation you are in is a reflection of your past energy and the frequency that you put out in the universe. But you have the power to change that right now in the present in order to have a different future. So the first thing that I would do is to stop relating to my future reality from my present perspective. But it's incomplete without these three things. And I really want you to stop relying on the numbers as your manifestation codes. And if this is what you were expecting in this video, I want you to see it from a different perspective, because you need to give your subconscious what it really understands, which is the emotion and the feeling and the thoughts. Really forget about these numbers because they are not going to give you the results that you want. Stop relying on positive thoughts because your thoughts without emotions are not powerful and they have less to no impact in your life. So if you have been using affirmations but you're not really putting emotions, that's why things are not happening. I want you to understand this. Your subconscious mind is filled with fear-based thoughts and emotions. And that is because of your past conditioning. And some of it is also a natural process. Because of the evolution of our brain, we are supposed to be in the survival state. But the more modern mechanism, or you can say the part of our brain, the system of our brain, which is the parasympathetic nervous system, is there to help us to feel safe, to feel secure. And it is in our control to turn those fear-based thoughts and emotions into positive emotions and thoughts. And how can we trick our brain? By using visualization. And when you visualize, you're thinking about an experience from the past or maybe from the future. So you are really tricking your brain into believing that that past or future experience is happening in the moment. And this is really the key to infuse your manifestation so that they can work faster for you. And the easiest way to generate these positive emotions is by thinking of a scenario from the past that made you feel happy, that made you feel secure. Maybe it's a memory with your parents, it's a memory with your partner, or something really good happened to you in the past. So you visualize that experience. And if you can't think of anything from the past because maybe your past was challenging, you can think about a future scenario where you can see your future self is being happy, is achieving all the things that you want to achieve right now in the moment. And when you visualize and go into full details and you bring in all the emotions, all your senses, now you're feeding your subconscious with new information, or you're changing your awareness and you're telling your mind, your subconscious, that these are the experiences that are important to me. But the problem is we are not giving this new information to our subconscious enough. You might do a visualization right now or after this video, and then you'll forget about it. I want you to really understand the power of ritual, because without repetition, nothing is going to work. You have to give the same information, this new information, because this new information is all about your future reality, your dreams, your goals. You have to give this information to your subconscious so that your subconscious is doing its work and is showing you similar opportunities. Now, when your subconscious is taking all this information and this new information has more quantity than your older information, now you're already stepping into this newer version of you. And when you are in this newer version of you, your actions, your feelings, your emotions, the way you show up in the world, the way you do things are totally different, which means now you have instantly changed your reality. So I want you to do this ritual. When I wake up in the morning, I think about 10 things that I can be grateful for the moment I open my eyes, because it really tells my subconscious that these are the things that are important to me, and these are the things that I really would like to feel more of. And my subconscious is then now going to do its job and show me similar experiences throughout my day. And then after this exercise, then I meditate for 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes 20 minutes, because it really helps me to feel safe. Instead of being in that fear mode, because that's all ingrained in our subconscious mind, I want to feel safe right now in this reality. I want to tune into the power of compassion, power of love. Then what I do is I send out love to myself. I send out love to other people, send out love to strangers, to all sentient beings. Now I'm already reflecting this powerful energy of love, of compassion, of safety, of security. And that is how you build momentum. And that is all. If you would follow all the things that we talked about, you are going to start seeing results. I can guarantee, not even guarantee, I know. Remember, knowing is the keyword. I know that you are going to start seeing changes in your behaviors, your actions, the way you see things, the way you interact with people. Everything would look different because now you're changing something internally and not expecting things to change externally first so that you can change your identity. But my friends, self-discipline is must, because if you can promise yourself, and I want you to promise yourself right now to repeat this whole process where you tune into these really positive emotions from the past or the future, you repeat this process, you think about 5 to 10 things that you can be grateful for, you meditate, you calm yourself down, just that. Promise yourself to do that, set an intention, put it in the comments, declare it to the universe, and then come back every day to watch this video for the next 3 days and read your intention, because this is your intention that you're putting out. So it's a promise for you, for yourself, because if you cannot even keep your promise to yourself, then how can you expect the universe to give you what you deserve? You have to be that energy, because that power is within you. And you can decide today, you can claim that power, that today I am going to focus on these positive emotions. I am going to send this information, this brand new information, to my subconscious so that my subconscious is helping me to achieve that future vision. If you need more motivation, check these videos. I'll leave the link in the description as well.